Hello and welcome to Precision Design and Manufacturing. Right now we're over at our commercial water equipment area, and I wanted to go through one of the products that we have in our commercial area, and it is called a window vendor. Basically, we've had this window vend for a number of years, but we've had some upgrades. This is presently our new Series 3, and I'll just maybe one step back to our Series 2. Our Series 2 and the Series 3 for that matter all come with a stainless steel interior, heater package for the unit. If it's put through a wall and exposed to the elements, will not freeze up. The Series 3 has been upgraded to stainless steel buttons with LED backlight, which is very nice. Also, it can be coin as well as cashless. So you can have it as a straight coin unit, or you can upgrade to a cashless unit, which will take Visa, MasterCard, or bank cards. The other nice feature that the unit has is it has a very nice display, larger than our Series 2, as well as it has a nice audit package. So you can actually track your water sales right from the time that the unit was installed as a cumulative, as well as by the week, by the day, by the month, however you want to track your water sales, and then reset it each time. And of course, jot those down for accounting purposes. One of the key features that we have that sets us apart from everybody else is we have a ozone rinse. And what happens with that is the customer can come in, place the bottle upside down over the spigot in the floor of the unit, and what will end up happening is they'll get a 10-second ozone rinse. Then they can flip the bottle over, and whatever size they've selected and paid for, then they will start the bottle and it will fill automatically. By the way, I just wanted to point out a couple of more things. Number one, it can be purchased as just a unit which can be used with your existing system if you have, for instance, a dispenser already in a store or elsewhere, or it can be purchased as a standalone with an RO unit and be put through a wall, or again a window, as I might have said before, which, by the way, has become quite a popular item to do. Sometimes at the end of a building, you'll have the opportunity of installing them, and of course do water sales strictly out of there, or it can be coupled with a unit, let's say in a convenience store, where they've got a dispenser inside and this through the wall to the outside. So that kind of wraps it up. And by the way, one more thing I forgot to mention, we can also private label the unit. So if you have a particular water company, ABC Water Company, and you have a logo, we can actually incorporate that logo onto the unit for you. So anyway, thank you again for tuning in. We're going to have a couple of more series, videos in our series, and we'll go over some more commercial equipment. Thank you for tuning in again, and have a great day.